Hi guys and welcome back. My name's Ethan and this is Shock Factor Fitness weekly workouts. This week we've got a body weight calorie burning cardio workout sure to get your heart pumping whether you're doing this in the gym or at home. So for this week's workout we're going to be starting with 50 star jumps, 40 squats, 30 sit-ups, 20 push-ups and 10 burpees. So let's go through that again. We've got 50 star jumps, 40 squats, 30 sit-ups, 20 push-ups and 10 burpees. You're going to be completing 4 rounds in total of this workout. Everything is body weight, which means that you'll be able to do it either at home or in the gym. Again, 4 rounds to complete this. And there you have it guys, that's this week's weekly workout. We're up to week 10 already. Guys, if you're enjoying the videos and just to help support us, if you could please leave a like down below. Make sure that you've subscribed to our channel as well, that way you can stay up to date with any additional content that we put out there just for you guys. All the best guys, have a great week and we'll see you next week at Shock Factor Fitness.